Hello, did you know that the 10-minute rule is one of the 5 main hacks for guilt-free holiday eating? Now you might be asking yourself, what is the 10-minute rule? Let me start by painting a picture many of us are familiar with as it relates to holiday eating. Most of us abandon healthy eating to enjoy festive feasts and celebrations. But it's no secret that it can also be a time when healthy eating takes a back seat. That's where these 5 simple yet effective holiday eating hacks come into play. In this video, I'll provide you with practical strategies that will help you enjoy the holidays without compromising your health. I will focus on achievable improvements that you can measure in how you feel and the choices you make during the holiday season. This approach is refreshingly straightforward. No complex diets, no guilt trips, just easy to implement tips and tricks that anyone can follow, leaving you feeling satisfied and in control. By the end of this video, you'll have a toolkit of holiday eating hacks to make informed choices at feasts and parties. You'll discover 5 simple but effective holiday eating hacks for health. At the end of the video, I will show you my favorite acupressure point to boost metabolism and reduce appetite. My name is Dr. Barrett. I'm a chiropractor, nutritionist, and herbalist. I'm certified in acupoint physical medicine and pet acupressure therapy. I've helped thousands of people live healthier and happier lives, and I want to help you too. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to be notified when more videos like this come out. Holiday hack number 1, be calorie smart at feasts and parties. When you're surrounded by tempting dishes, it's easy to go overboard. Instead of depriving yourself, use this simple strategy. Before diving into the buffet, survey your options. Choose the foods that you love the most and allocate your calories wisely. This way you can indulge without the worry of eating excess calories. Next up, hack number 2, the 10-minute break rule. Ever wonder why you continually crave food after eating a full meal? Well, it takes a while for your stomach to signal your brain that it's full, and that's where the 10-minute break comes in. After finishing your first serving, take a 10-minute pause. Engage in conversation, sip water, and let your body catch up. You might find that you're satisfied or only want a smaller second helping. Hack number 3, stay active during the holidays. Maintaining an active holiday lifestyle during the holiday season can be challenging, but it's essential for keeping those extra calories in check. Here's how to make it happen. Suggest a family walk before the feast or a post-dinner stroll with friends. Dancing at a gathering is another fun way to burn off those calories. Moving on to a holiday classic, hack number 4, add more fruits and vegetables to your plate. Fruits and vegetables often take a back seat during holiday meals, but they can be a delicious and nutritious addition. Don't ignore the fruit and veggies. They make great snacks and side dishes. And last but not least, hack number 5, embrace balance and moderation. Remember, holidays are about more than just food. It's about cherishing time with loved ones, laughing, and creating cherished memories. While enjoying the festivities, don't forget to put the focus on family and friends. Balance and moderation are your guide. It's okay to indulge or overeat occasionally, as long as you find that equilibrium. And there you have it, holiday eating hacks for health. These simple yet effective strategies can help you enjoy the holiday season without compromising your health. The next step is to boost metabolism and reduce appetite. I've put my video, Acupressure Points for Weight Loss, right over here. Check it out.